This lesson covers the basics of Spanish numbers. These are the numbers from 0 to 20. From 21 to 29, 20 changes the E to an I, and it joins with the numbers from 1 through 9. From 31 to 99, 30 and the other multiples of 10 add an E, followed by the numbers from 1 to 9. And you can combine them into one word, but it's less common to be done this way. 100 changes to ciento if it's part of a larger number, and an E is not added after ciento. The other multiples of 100 have masculine and feminine forms, and they follow the same pattern as ciento. They do not add an E after cientos. Mil remains singular, but un millón does have a plural form, millones, and they have the same additional pattern as the multiples of 100. They do not add E after mil or millón. If un millón or millones are used with a noun, then de must follow the number. Numbers that are larger than 1 million are false cognates because of the long scale system. You must also place de after numbers larger than 1 million when used with nouns. You can add y medio to larger numbers to mean and a half. These are ordinal numbers. When used as adjectives, ordinal numbers precede nouns and agree with them in number and gender. El segundo día, la segunda mujer. Los primeros capítulos, las primeras familias. Primero and tercero remove the o before singular masculine nouns. El primer hombre, el tercer estudiante. When used as nouns, the article lo will precede ordinal numbers. ¿Cuáles capítulos estudiaremos? Estudiaremos lo primero, lo tercero, lo quinto y lo décimo. And we simply add ordinal numbers to one another to form larger ordinal numbers. So there you have it, a very basic summary of numbers in Spanish. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.